Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset the 2011 Volkswagen Jetta oil light. Press and hold the 0/SET trip button, then turn the ignition key to on without starting. Keep holding the button for about 10 seconds until the display flashes or shows dashes. Release the button and turn the key off, then start the engine to confirm the oil change light is cleared and the service interval has reset. Begin with the engine off and the key in the ignition. Press and hold the trip reset button located on the instrument cluster. While holding the button, turn the ignition to on without starting the engine and continue holding until the display shows dashes or the maintenance code resets. Release the button, turn the ignition off, then start the car to confirm the oil change light is no longer illuminated and the service message has cleared. If the oil light does not reset, first confirm the car battery has enough charge to power the instrument cluster. Make sure you hold the trip reset button for the full duration, roughly 10 seconds, as brief presses will fail. Double-check that the service was logged by your mechanic or that you followed the exact sequence. Otherwise, the system may require a dealer scan tool or professional inspection to clear stubborn codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.